Hello everyone. This is Teacher Vanya, and today I'm going to show you an adorable book. I got to teach my kids about the noisy farm animals. So I'm going to tell you the names of the animals in English, Portuguese, and their sounds. Let's go. So the first one is a vaca, a cow, and the cow goes like. And it gives us delicious milk, yogurt, cheese, and a lot more. And this is the galo, a rooster. And the rooster goes. And on the farm, he helps these people get up. It's like a natural alarm clock. And they have the chicks, chick, chick, chick. And now we have a porco, a pig. And they give us pork. And now we have a cavalo, a horse. They're fantastic and so powerful animals. And now we're gonna listen to everybody together. Isn't it a cool book? See you next time.